So today we have a special guest here, Liz, and she's going to be joining me in another blind taste test challenge.
It is such an honor.
And,
I'm terrified.
and so far I have been the reigning champion, even though in my last episode I thought I was gonna lose, but I ended up pulling through, which is nice. So we'll put that to the side. So how are you feeling about doing this?
I'm a little nervous. I have never done a blind taste test before, ever. So this is both a first for me, and I'm afraid that we're gonna be tasting some really funky stuff. So yeah. But
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm excited.
I'm a little bit, I'm no excited, I'm just like scared, terrified.
It's okay, it makes it real. It's gritty. Yeah. No,
So we need to put our blindfolds down
Mhm.
to reveal what's happening.
Yep.
And we have to sip it at the same time, and whoever guesses it right first, gets a point.
Got it. And do we sip? Do we sip like this?
No.
You
No.
can pull up your
Okay,
blindfold
after it's been
after
read.
it's been
Revealed. Great.
Okay. You look so funny with the mask on.
What? This isn't comedy.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Yes.
Reveal. I'm so scared. I cannot find the corner. There we go. Okay. We can take off our masks.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Nope.
Really, did you?
Okay.
The smell just hit me.
Ready?
I'm scared.
Chunky. I think I know what it is. Actually, I kind of like it. Chunky, but. Do I get to guess?
Onion?
Pickle juice? You're up against the big guns here, sister. I don't know why I'm doing Frank the Tank, but I am. Nobody's gonna know that reference.
It stays with you.
It does stay with you.
Why?
Let's do that one again.
It's round 2. I can't find the corner. There you go. I'm scared already.
Me too.
The pickle juice is still with me. Yeah. Okay.
Are our masks off now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
Root beer. Cream soda.
Yeah, I was gonna, yep, you're just faster than I was. I'll give you that one.
Delicious. Delicious cream soda.
Yeah.
Little joke somewhere.
Yeah.
Delicious. All I need to do is add some ice cream to this and it'll be perfect.
Yeah. It's for later.
I guess you're gonna go away to the next
Yeah.
one.
We'll see you later.
Okay. Round 3. 1-1. Okay.
Okay.
Do a quick. I can't find the corner again.
You're sure you're not peeking, right?
Yeah, I can't see a thing. It's
Okay.
pitch black.
All right.
Are you?
Nope.
Can't close this. Can you close? Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Finally got
All right. We're up.
it. Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
What is that? I know this. I know this. What is this?
Tahini?
What is this? It's like pickle juice mixed with something. But like pickle juice and ketchup?
I don't know.
pickle juice though. What is it? Oh my god.
Turmeric?
Banana, ketchup and water.
It's alright.
Oh, sweet.
Ketchup and water?
That's disgusting. Now that I know
Why
what
does
it
it
is.
taste so different?
It's way grosser when you know what it is.
Why does it taste so different? Like, I love ketchup. Why does it taste so different?
Because it has water in it. It's like diluted.
Blech.
I know. It's like I was gonna.
Onion.
It's like
So what's the score?
2-1.
So if she gets the next one, she
I
wins.
lose.
You lose.
I mean, yes, but I'm a very gracious sportswoman, so she's going down.
Round 4, and if I do not get this one, then Liz wins. Okay, I can't find the box. Here we go. Let's do the reveal.
Oh boy. Pins and needles.
I just smelled it.
All right, masks
Yeah.
off.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Ugh. Oh no. Oh no.
No. Barbecue sauce and water.
Barbecue sauce, just straight up barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce and. Oh, it's the texture. You have to, definitely barbecue sauce and it's tangy. I mean, that's tangy. But no
Barbecue
hot
sauce.
sauce. There's no hot sauce.
Liz won. You sure you got it, didn't she? Yeah.
So congratulations, Liz. You are the first person to beat me. And here is your trophy.
Oh, thank you so much. I'd like to thank the Academy, my parents for all the support, and the taste buds, I guess, because that's a genetic thing. And I'm dedicating my life moving forward to acute sensory experiences. So here's to the future. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And according to the rules, I have to live in shame now. So.
Forever. I mean, I'm kidding. No. Not necessary.
Meh. Well, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and like this video. So I'm gonna do this again with my friend, which then we're gonna make another one with me and her making stuff for our parents, which is gonna be really fun. Okay, so that's the end of this video. See you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.